close-up must come down and redo it.
Paul, smile. You're on camera.
I guess I was like, I just thought that they would push it somehow. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Steve, you walked outside. She goes, "Is he teasing me?" I'm like, "Yeah." Oh, that's not good for eating all that skin, Paul.
What? I know.
It's a holiday. It's a party.
But today's an extra day, you know.
They doesn't count.
Come on,
I don't
Jay.
like that piece.
Oh, you gotta be special.
I don't like the look of that piece.
Oh, it's good piece.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Little do you know. That's the best piece.
I do feel bad, even if they made a bad decision.
Oh,
I wouldn't want to dampen the name.
it's right here.
Can you give me there's a cutting board. The cutting boards? They're on the thing over there.
They're on the what?
If you walk to the left over there by air conditioning.
It's by the pole. It's sitting up against the pole, by the hose.
Don't take that one. Oh, don't do that. Not now. You're going to embarrass me.
I'm going to put you on the internet.
Holy. There's a bunch of pigs, yeah. There's pigs. It's this way. I'll fix it.
Steve, if there's anything you want Paul to do, let me know.
So,
I'll take a picture.
you know what? I can move like I was trying to lose like